only on the Weather Channel.
Here's our local Doppler radar. For tonight, cloudy, low 31, winds north-northeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And on Wednesday, cloudy and windy with periods of rain. Some sleet may mix in, high 42. And Wednesday night, windy with showers late, low 38. The week ahead.
All right, we are following tornado warnings here in southern Alabama. Mobile hit hard earlier this evening. Now on the north side of Mobile, we're tracking a tornado warning. Northeastern Mobile, this is basically going around the Wilmer area. We've had reports of damage in Wilmer from this storm as it is moving toward the northeast very quickly between 50 and 60 miles an hour. So right now the tornado in the location around Saraland, and it also includes portions of Interstate 65. If you know anyone traveling, definitely avoid this area. This is where we're looking at some very strong winds, possibly some large hail as well.
That's right, for the county of Wilcox. Severe thunderstorm warnings, but also a tornado warning right there. And you can see the cities listed until 8 o'clock Central Time. Not too far from Interstate 65. All the severe weather will be crossing the interstate shortly. Dangerous lightning and some very heavy, perhaps blinding rains as you're trying to travel along, get home from your Christmas Day destination. The best advice we can give you is just to kind of sit down, hunker down, ride it all out.
Yeah, reports of power outages with some of these storms as well. So no fun to be dealing with this on Christmas Day, that's for sure. It is 50 past the hour now. It's time for our winter weather update. Carl Parker joining us now from the Global Forecast Center. And Carl, we've got blizzard conditions in other parts of the country.
Yeah, we do, and we'll continue to see that right through the day tomorrow and even into late tomorrow. Let's show you where the blizzard warnings are right now. They extend from just outside of Memphis, Tennessee through northeastern Arkansas, all the way up through the Ohio Valley there into Evansville, Indianapolis, and even into Cleveland. And we are concerned about very strong wind and heavy snow all along that swath. Then winter storm warnings for the Northeast and ice storm warnings also in effect along 81 in West Virginia and Virginia. So here's a look at what's happening in the jet stream. There's an area of wind that's pulling apart right in here. There's a lot of lift associated with that, and that has created this very intense area of low pressure at the surface. That's grabbing up moisture and throwing it up here into the much colder air, which is wrapping in to the back side of the system. And we can take a look at the visible satellite picture. You can actually see that lift as it was occurring earlier today. You see how the cloud is expanding there, how it's blossoming. That's where the dynamics were, and that's exactly where the snow has been. And as we look at the current radar picture, you can see how some of this banding has gotten a little more intense now from Little Rock and just off to the north. And in fact, heavy snow is now being reported in Little Rock. So this is the beginning of our storm that's going to be moving up through the Ohio Valley. A number of reports of light snow right now, and we've had a pretty good amount of snow in some areas. Clarksville, right along the Red River, picking up 4 inches, still snowing lightly there. Arcoma near Fort Smith has had 5 inches thus far, and it's again getting a little bit heavier just north and west of Little Rock. A lot of wind too. The wind's now gusting to 44 miles per hour in Jonesboro and 32 miles per hour in Springdale, and that's the problem as far as travel is concerned. That wind is going to continue to drive southward here on the backside of the low, and so we're looking at 2 a.m. in this high-resolution model, and that snow is going to be coming down in earnest and sideways across Jonesboro and Paragould and up to Poplar Bluff into Sykeston and Cape Girardeau. Then the low is going to lift up overnight, make its way towards the Ohio Valley. We'll see the heavy snow and wind coming out of the northeast, and that's going to be getting into Evansville and Jasper and Bloomington, Indianapolis, across 70, up 75 into Lima and Findlay and Cleveland, and then we'll also move into parts of the northeast. At the same time, we'll see a little bit of that freezing rain extending into parts of Virginia and West Virginia. And then that snow continues into tomorrow evening, move up into the northeast, moving up towards the I-90 corridor. And we'll still see very strong wind going even through the day on Thursday, even into early Friday. So in total, we're talking about a good 6 to 12 inches all along the path of that area of low pressure. And again, the wind is going to make it really difficult to get around. Guys, over to you.